Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Bigoti. So, in today's tutorial, I'm gonna be analyzing, and analyzing. So, since a lot of people, you know, really want to learn graphic design and are kind of confused on some certain things, so I've taken it upon myself to just, you know, analyze design to come up with it. Sometimes it can be very difficult to just create your own ideas by yourself, but once you see two or three designs, you can, pick one or two from them and replicate it in your own design. So this design today, as I always do, a disclaimer, I never designed this, so it was gotten from Pinterest. It caught my attention, then I feel like, okay, let me analyze this design, then share with whoever is or would be interested in learning. So first of all, is this design is very simple, but elegant. It's very dope. So the first thing is there was a background here, just a plain background. I really never see anything aside just the plain background with a kind of, I don't know what color is this, maybe like a cream color or something. Then if you look closely, you will see that it has something like a noise kind of. So a noise was added to the background. Even onto this, a noise was added, and onto the images, noise was also added. So the first thing is understand that, okay, there was a noise on this background, so you need also to put a noise in your own background if you want to do something like this. And how do you do that? You come to filter, you see noise, add noise, then you can play around with whatever noise you want. So after that being done, this is normal text. You can arrange. All of these are just manipulation, which you can also like do more research about. So now the next thing is to have this shape here. Now this, if you look at it, this was kind of chopped off. Probably you can download this, all of these things, you can download them. Even this, you can download them, because this and this are the same. The only thing is just that this was reduced to this. Okay, so then a color was given to this. Also a noise was added. If you look at it, you'll see a noise on this green. Same thing goes to this. Even this black, there's a noise on it. Okay, so that's the major thing. So once you understand that noises are added to it, then it helps you get the same texture. Okay, so after that, then this is just a normal shape which you can just draw using your shape tool, then arrange as your initiative comes or as your understanding shows off. So you can just arrange it based on your own understanding. Okay, so that's just the only thing I see here, just matter of arranging it. So after that, then the images were placed right there. So after the images, then this text was placed here. Then there's this shape to create a line kind of, which obviously you know how to do that. Just come to your shape tool. So then all of this is just a normal shape that you can draw and clip mask the country's logo, country's identification, maybe the country's banner or whatever. So that's how this was done. Then obviously you need to know that this is a script font. I think this is, I've forgotten the name, but let me check, because it's a font that I regularly use, so I'm kind of familiar with it. So okay, so it's called autograph personal user. So that's the name of the font. As you can see, So that's the name of the font they used here. You can see this is host and this is host. So that's the font used here. I wasn't the one who designed it, but I'm already familiar with the font. So after that, like I said, this particular one too, you can either use a brush, a brush preset like a paper tone, or you can download this particular shape. You can always download it online. I will maybe in some other tutorials I'm going to search. I'm going to try to figure out the name, the specific name, so that I can let you know what the names are. Then you can search with name and get the shape. Okay, so basically that's how this was done. And also one more thing, don't forget that when you're designing, you need to use your ruler to ensure that your design are properly aligned. Okay, make use of your ruler to ensure that your design are properly aligned. So that's it here. That's why you have a neat job here. Then also this, probably the person had to use another ruler to ensure that this comes, aligned. Okay, so now after that, then this particular one was just emphasized, date, that's 13th April, then time, leadership and prophetic seminar. So there was more emphasis on this, on the date and time. So it was just a little bit bolding. It might be the same font but different. Is it font now typeface? Okay, then just change a little bit of the typefaces, make it bold, make some regular and some maybe light and the likes. So that's how all of these were achieved. Same thing goes to this. This was bold, but it's the size is reduced. The size is reduced here. Then this also maybe like light or medium, and the size also reduced. Okay, so basically that's all about this design, and I hope you enjoyed this analysis which I just did. If you are still confused, please drop a comment, and let me know how you feel about this analysis, and if it really helps you, please also drop a comment and like the video. Please don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel and share with your friends who are interested in learning graphic design 2025 but don't know how to. My channel is just a go-to for absolute beginners, because I'm going to be explaining everything from the scratch, and I'm going to be doing it from the scratch so that you can see. So this analysis is just for you to come up with your own idea after you've gone through some people's design to see how they did theirs. Then you can come up with your own idea and execute, or if you want to replicate exactly how the person did it, this analysis will help you achieve the same result. And don't forget to hit up the subscribe button, and I'll see you on the other side. Thank you.